Hello viewers, I'm Maitli. Today we are going to see 11 CBSE Maths Permutation and Combination, exercise 7.3, question number 9. Let's see the question. How many words with or without meaning can be made from the letters of the word Monday, assuming that no letter is repeated? So there is no repetition. We are going to select the letters from Monday. The first subdivision they are given is 4 letters are used at a time. So we are going to select 4 letters at a time. Here in Monday totally we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 letters. 6 letters in total. In that we are going to select only 4 letters. So that means from 6 letters we are going to select 4 letters, means it is 6P4. From 6 letters we are going to select 4 letters. We know that NPR is equal to n factorial by n minus r factorial. The same way we are going to do it for 6P4, which is 6 factorial by 6 minus 4 factorial, 6 factorial by here 2 factorial, then 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 by 2. This get cancelled. Now we need to multiply. 5 4s are 20, 6 3s are 18. Now this becomes 360. So number of ways of selecting 4 letters from a 6 letter word is 360 without any repetition. We'll move on to the second one. In the second one, all letters are selected at a time. So we are selecting every letter. From 6 letter we are going to select what? All the letters. That means it will be 6P6. Sorry, 6P6, which is 6 factorial. That is 6 factorial by 6 minus 6 will be 0 factorial. 0 factorial is 1. So 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. Just multiply 2 with this because we have cancelled 2 on the numerator. So 360 into 2 is 720 ways. So your final answer for the second sum will be 720. We'll move on to the third one. In the third one, all letters are used but the first letter is a vowel. You see, from Monday I want a first letter to be a vowel. It can be O, it can be A. If I take A and write it as a first letter, the remaining letter only I need to select. The remaining letter, if I take the vowel outside, the condition is we need to write a vowel. That means if I write a vowel A, the remaining letter will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In this 5 letters, I am going to select all the 5 letters. So 5P5. So for the vowel as a first letter, leave the vowel and the rest of the thing, we need to see the permutation for the rest of the thing. As there are 5 letters, I am going to select all the 5 letters. So it is 5P5, which is 5 factorial. So 5 into 4 into 3 into 2. 5 4s are 20. 20 into 6 is 120. So 120 is not the final answer because here I have selected A as my first letter. In case if it is O, the same way it will be 5P5. If I select O to be the first letter, as there is another vowel O over here, if I select O to be the first letter, then the same factorial will come. Same 5P5 will come. So selecting here, this is selecting A. Similarly for selecting O, the same 120 will be there. So 2 into 120 will be your final answer, which is 240 is your final answer. As there are 2 vowels, we need to multiply it with 2 for the total number of ways. This is total number of ways. That's all with the sum. Thank you.